What we expect is beyond what we can see, turning ideas into technologies and turning technologies into reality. We dream of future-oriented technologies. We are pushing the limits of production technology, the boundaries of the manufacturing industry, and beyond the carbon economy, leading the manufacturing paradigm shift with new values. Korea Institute of Industrial Technology is an innovator of industrial technology. Amid the rapidly changing paradigm shift in manufacturing, KITECH has grown to become a global partner in the innovative growth of the domestic manufacturing industry by developing technologies for autonomous manufacturing, servitization, carbon neutrality, and hydrogen alliance. We are redefining the productivity revolution to lead the value revolution in manufacturing. Beyond automation, we enable flexible and rapid production with autonomous systems and design optimized processes with digital twins to increase business competitiveness. We incorporate cutting-edge robotics and manufacturing technologies to create safe and reliable industrial environments. We're expanding business models by adding value to the manufacturing industry. We develop SMILE production technologies to help manufacturers enhance their R&D and design competencies and expand related services such as distribution and sales to generate high added value profits. We develop low-carbon emission control technologies and industrial environmental management technologies through field demonstrations across various industries and sectors. Our research capabilities span the entire hydrogen energy cycle, including production, storage, transportation, and utilization. We seek to build a sustainable future driven by the carbon neutrality and hydrogen alliance in response to global climate change. We enhance the global competitiveness of Korean manufacturing through strategic global collaborations. We are transforming the future of industrial technology by expanding joint research and human resource exchanges with overseas offices, as well as strengthening the link to commercialization through technology transfer and infrastructure development. We will accelerate the implementation of autonomous production systems by conducting joint research with leading technology countries, preparing for a sustainable future by developing integrated hydrogen and carbon system technologies. Also, we contribute to the creation of industrial and innovation ecosystems by supporting domestic small and medium-sized manufacturers' global expansion and promoting industrial technology innovation for local manufacturing. The future is shaped by many technologies, but our path is singular. A path that transforms ideas into technologies and technologies into reality. A path leading from traditional manufacturing to an era of unprecedented value creation. At the forefront of this journey, KITECH will advance beyond production towards true value. Korea Institute of Industrial Technology.